Snow Lake Resources is a private Canadian exploration company focused exclusively on lithium exploration in central Manitoba. The company's primary asset is the 100% owned Thompson Brothers lithium property, which is located 20 kilometers from Snow Lake, Manitoba. It has a historical 2018 JORC compliant inferred resource of 6.3 million tons and a grading at 1.38%. Our company is currently seeking to do a listing on the Canadian Stock Exchange. Well, for background, the Tanco mine was Cabot Corporation's specialty fluids business. It was recently bought by a Chinese mining company with a market cap of about $1 billion on the 28th of June 2019. The Tanco mine currently has a spodumene flotation circuit sitting idle. But what's more exciting to us is that the Tanco guys are extremely capable and the only guys in Canada that have built and ran a spodumene flotation circuit. This is a significant milestone for Snow Lake Resources as it puts us well ahead of our peers and demonstrates our fast-track development strategy. It signifies a low-capex, clear strategy and pathway to production and cash flow using a simple direct shipping ore scenario. Although not our only option to fast-track our development, this MOU we signed with Tanco certainly is a great opportunity we are pursuing quite rapidly. Furthermore, the Snow Lake Technical Group has a very strong relationship with both past and present Tanco mine staff. Some of these relationships span over 20 years. The synergies between our two parties are great, and we hope to move to production and cash flow as soon as possible. One further critical point I'll make is we have all the essential infrastructure in place, with a power line on site, a railhead approximately 20 kilometers away, giving us multiple solutions and access to a shipping port in Churchill, allowing us to get our DSO out to market. Well, as you can imagine, since signing of this MOU, the company has changed dramatically from an explorer to a developer with a clear path to production. We have had significant interest from parties to get involved, and we have engaged with a number of them. In terms of resource expansion, we know there is additional resource open at both lengths and depth, and we are confident we have well over 6 years mine life and will expand this in time. The team has moved into initial planning and permitting to do bulk test sampling to get DSO spec grade for delivery, and we have commenced discussions with the railroad to lock in access, which will all tie into a PFS. Essentially, we are in a great position as it's a simple DSO operation. Everything is moving ahead on the CSE listing, and we'll know more over the next few weeks on timing, as this company is changing dramatically. We will continue to do what's best for our shareholders as well. I'll end you with this thought. Fundamentals have not changed with demand for electric vehicles and the expansion of energy storage driving further demand for lithium far into the future. We believe equities will follow this trend, and we are now in a fortunate position to capitalize on this demand.